big-ass gun in it. You call this Plan B? What the Plan B stand for? Bullshit! Do you want to drive? Yeah, pull over by the motherfuckers with the machine gun. Shit! Yeah! I'm not to be fucked with. I guess I missed the part of the meeting where you drive through the dining room and right out the front door.
Cuban army was everywhere.
Gotta get us to Guantanamo Bay, Tito.
No. You guys just drive on to a U.S. naval base.
Hey, we're Americans, okay? Hey, Marcus, you know how when we usually get in these situations, you know, I'm always trying to make you feel better. You know, like we gonna be all right, like we gonna make it.
Yeah.
I can say it, but that'd be a bunch of bullshit today. Military. Which way?
Go right.
Come mierda!
These are the drug dealer shacks. They make the cocaine here.
But they got a lot of shit in there that likes to blow.
Faster! I'm gonna kill you, motherfucker! I'm gonna go for it.
This is a big ass hill.
Oh, shit! Is this still part of Plan B? No, this is definitely Plan C. Everybody start shooting at somebody! Shoot! Shit! I'm out! I got 2 rounds left! One in the chamber.
I'm out!
All these guns in here, don't none of y'all got no bullets!
I got one in my hip.
Oh God, he's hit!
There, Gizmo.
U.S. soil, baby, U.S. soil! Come on, go! Well, way, Americans out the way! Run it! Go! Mike! We're Americans. I pay my motherfucking taxes. Shoot them. And fucking gringo, drop the gun. Put it down. Put it down.
They can't help you. You're staying in Cuba.
Alto! Está en un campo de minas! You are standing at a large Minefield! Do not move!
Look, why don't we all go home? Well, we'll go home, you go to a hotel. Let's work this shit out another day, because none of us is really having a good day right now.
Give me the gun.
Okay, I'm gonna toss it right at your feet. Right next to the mine.
Now that's how you supposed to shoot. From now on, that's how you shoot. Whoa! Oh, I want my next partner to shoot just like that. It take a dysfunctional motherfucker to bust somebody in the head like that. That's some dysfunctional shit. My next partner gonna invite me to his barbecues and shit, though. Come here, girl. Come here.
I came all the way to Cuba for this.
Come on. Y'all gotta do that around the landmines. Would you tell him that that shit is dangerous around these landmines?